Welcome to the mother of all DIY projects. This is the story of two guys that dared to dream the American dream. The American dream, which is the impossible dream. We are not building Legos, we are building a castle. Did he just say build a castle? You're damn right we did. We are gonna take you on an adventure of a tremendous build. They might not totally know what they're doing, but they got a lot of heart and they got a lot of drive. They're not afraid to fail and they're not afraid to try. It's a race against time. It's a race against money. It's a race against natural resources. Are these men gonna be able to stand on top of the castle when it's done, or will it crumble underneath them? Will they succeed? Will they fail? Or will it be something worse? We're gonna find out if their cast of characters have what it takes to see this impossible dream through.
It's gonna be amazing.
This is American Castle.
Today, we're just gonna make sure we keep cutting stone, because it seems like that's kind of the issue, is we're running out of stone very quickly.
Put it about this far. There you go. Ahí. Ahora sí camino. Demasiado, pero camino.
How's it cutting today?
It's working. The teeth aren't falling off. It's cutting a lot better.
I was cutting racks today, my first day. I stepped on a nail like inch and a half. Easy. Step on it and I can handle it, but you know, all day walking like that, hurts a lot.
You okay now?
Yeah. Yeah. Can handle it now. No problem.
It was all fun and games when we were laying rocks, you know, 2-3 inches at a time, but now we're getting up to like 3, 4, 5 feet. And if the goal is to get it to 9 or 10, then it's gonna take some careful thought, a safe way to innovate, getting those stones up high without anybody getting hurt.
Yeah, I guess once you lift stones above waist level, yeah, it's a little more difficult. So then you got to use that upper body arm strength.
Porque se pasa mucho trabajo a la hora de subir lo que es la piedra a una altura ya que uno no puede ver.
First we started all the way the bottom, no problem. We can put the rocks down. But now it's getting higher and higher and getting harder and harder.
Is it more dangerous?
More dangerous, you know, but we have to do it. Keep going.
Day 5, is still alive. That's success in itself, I think Yohim would say. Problem with today is we don't have Yohim, so we're down a man. We're probably down 2.5 men, because that's what Yohim brings.
Yeah, we're definitely missing Joaquin. So yeah, he's just not the same without Joaquin's motivation.
So you're missing Yohim a bit. Do you think he's missing you as well? And if so, who misses who more?
I think Yohim probably misses me more because he wants to be out here.
I'm trying to train other people to use the machine besides myself, so it's slowed down a little. And once we have a team cutting, we'll move a lot quicker. So besides me doing it.
Easy questions, man.
Easy question.
My English, I call tomato English, because I learned it in the field. I never went to the school over here, so I learned it by hearing it. Tomato English. I learned it in the field. Every day you learn something new. So that's my day with the new machine over there. I learned how to use it. I got nervous the first time, but when I used it the second time, got it. Yeah. Mr. Kurt trusts me a lot. Anything I read this property, he trusts me a lot because, you know, I'm a good person. So, and I'm helping him because he helped me a lot. He's a good person. So he showed me everything. so I can help him. He showed me to use the machine, so I gotta take the opportunity to learn so I can help him back, you know. He trained me very good. He trained me like a part of his family. He's my friend, he's my boss, but we have a respect from boss to worker, you know. I respect that too.
We're also testing our prototypes for potential like active sunglasses, safety glasses that we're looking to build. Because last time I was crushing the rock, I couldn't use the safety goggles because they were all fogged up and scratched up. You can barely see.
How are you going to test the protective glasses?
I'm just going to use them. There's another version that I'm actually working on with a supplier, which is rated to be ballistic, made for like high-flying objects going at your face.
I gotta say, you look great.
Te ves muy bien.
Somebody give me these goggles today like a gift for me. It's good. I like it. Look nice and sporty and for the rocks and everything. Yeah, it helped me a lot. Thanks. Some guy, I don't know who gave it to me, but somebody gave it to me.
No son iguales a los anteriores, ¿no? Esto protege más la vista. Estos te protegen de la intensidad del sol.
So we got a bunch of sand, which will actually help us save a bunch of money. Because going there, somebody just left and spilled a bunch of sand, and there was a bunch of police out there. So I took the back roads. I didn't feel like talking to the police.
Is that because, or anything to do with?
That's because Kurt's truck is not registered. The mortar plus 2 parts limestone sand, and we think it's gonna go well. I mean, the only downside is it could crack.
The way you make cement is it has like hardness factor, so it's like, I believe it's cement, lime, and sand. And the more sand you add, the less, it's not as hard. But the rule is you generally want your cement to be about as hard as the stones you're working with, or you'll get cracks. So coral is probably like the softest stone that I know of. I'm sure there's softer stuff, but so you can use quite a bit of sand. So like right now the mixture is probably too hard anyway. It'll probably crack, but it doesn't really matter. I mean, the walls are like 28 inches thick, so.
So you're saying if this was the year 1300 and we got a big giant log and we all just ran together and tried to like
battering ram.
a little bit, you're saying no effect.
You know what? I actually don't know, so I welcome you to try it. Cover the roof because just in case someone dumps hot tar on your. Keep it rolling. The average person might see this and hopefully they won't see the flaws, but to me it's like I look at it and it looks great, but there's still like some things that I think will need to be polished up.
You know, we're not architects or anything like that, but we will definitely figure it out, and maybe we won't, but that's what you're here to see.
A veces se hacen errores, los corregimos, y tratamos de rectificar el error que cometimos anteriormente, cosas así.
Like in every project, there are some errors that are committed, but we look for ways to amend the errors.
4 days ago we had, you know, maybe 3 to 6 inches tall. Now we're getting 3 to 6 feet, and you don't look so stoked. You don't look so happy.
Well, it's getting better. You know, the guys are getting much better at placing the stone straighter, but the lines are still pretty sloppy with the cement piling out. So, trying to fix that problem.
Was there an added element to castles as far as making them look nice and showing off? Absolutely. It shows off how much, you know, power and wealth that a family would have. A castle is meant not just for defensive purposes, because if it's just for defensive purposes, then it's called the fort, right? So the castle is also meant where people live, entertain people, and other things. Yeah. I'm really looking forward to building the first actual tower, which is 30 feet tall. And I think if that's accomplished, I would feel very proud of the team. You know, some people probably think that we won't succeed, but you know, time will tell.
What are you gonna do after work today?
Today after work, well, I got a bad news yesterday. One of my friends died last week, so we have a funeral today. So I had to go to a funeral tonight. Starting now, 6 o'clock. It's gonna stop at 10 o'clock. So, still, you know, it's part of the life. Everybody live to die. So today is my friend. I play soccer on Sundays. So he got an accident. He got killed. So today is a funeral. But no matter what, I had to work. I had to eat. I got family to support. And I just gonna say bye to my friend, and that's it. Keep going.
Sorry.
But it's today.
Sorry.
It's all right.
Hey guys, if you liked the video that you just saw, you know, please give us a like or subscribe. We're not experts in YouTube or making shows or anything else, so any help is appreciated.
New video comes out every Sunday at noon Pacific time. And that's 3 p.m. for you Floridians.
Yeah, thank you.